Hey everybody, David again for Dave's WordPress. This is an unusual video because up until now all of my videos have been exclusively about Dave's WordPress, QuickStart Kits, and the plugins that go inside of it, right? And so this video is completely against all of that in that what I'm about to show you has nothing to do with my QuickStart Kit. It has nothing to do with my website at all. In fact, it has everything to do with you, your website, and Neil Patel, who has an extensive YouTube channel, lots of great information. And I got to be honest with you, I like Neil's business model. It really, really is good. So there's some competitors out there, such as Moz. There's a handful of them that's out there. I like Moz personally out of all of them. But in any event, he competes against each and every one of the items that's out there. And the bottom line is I need you to just take note of this, if nothing else. Pop over to neilpatel.com, read all about it, put your website in here, analyze it, see what it comes back as. And there's a free and a paid version of this. And the reason I'm bringing this up because it's really a great tool and the pricing is phenomenal. And if you're an agency, then he's got this limited lifetime plan where it's, yes, pretty expensive, but in the grand scheme of things, if you're an enterprise agency, this is a drop in the bucket. Okay, so $1,000 lifetime. You don't ever have to pay anything again. There's no monthly fees. Bam. I mean, everything you need for every site you're ever going to do is already up here, right? And so it's just it's worth its weight in gold, in my opinion. So bottom line is, go ahead here, check it out. It will do everything that I have showed you in the SEO videos on our website at Dave's WordPress, specifically the QuickStart Kit library. And give the guy a chance. Use the free account. Leverage it as much as you can. And I hope that your site achieves a #1 ranking in the area of the business or in the area of the internet that you're trying to grab traffic for. That's it for this video. Thank you very much, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.